Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Kunevideo engiyibonile la upresident waseBotswana bekakhuluma ngopresident waseBurkina Faso Ibrahim Traore. Kanti bengingamnakile ngase ngiyaqala ngiyambheka kwakhona izinto engizibonayo ngaye noma ke ngingafuni ukukhuluma ngayo kwamanje ngoba anginalwazi ngaye. Ekucingeni kwami ngadibana nevideo le.
There was a coup in Mali. There was a coup in Burkina Faso. The continent seems to be regressing.
Absolutely, and that is something that we said the AU should be firm, that such countries which engage in such activities must be isolated. We don't need military to take over the government. We must subscribe to democracy. The people's choices must be respected.
Angizuphawula lutho ngale video qeda kuyibona. Angizukusho lutho nje ngayo. Ngicela ukucaphunela ivideo le eshuwo engithi ngiyibonile kalo president waseBotswana.
Accept this thing going forward. Lastly, you see, Traore has become a hero to Professor. I and him will drink coffee about Traore. But he's doing two good things, that he becomes an international icon. A young guy, younger than many of us. Traore has changed the price of uranium. France was buying uranium from Burkina Faso for $1 billion every year. He stopped the French to buy his uranium. Today, Burkina Faso is making 85 billion from the same resource. We are selling uranium here. We have no nuclear power. We are just talking, everything is nuclear. We are just selling. Whether the Chinese are paying us the best price or not, we don't know. We are also afraid. What if they walk out of this deal? But Traore, a young man, a soldier, has changed his country. That's why Traore is now building up factories, processing plants of agro-processing, because he has resources. We have these resources. When we say some of these things must not be said in the open, but let's drink coffee and talk about the future of our country, we don't listen to one another. So, Foreign Minister, may your door be open for further engagement, deeper engagement in the national interest of our country, so that we start running, because we are crawling. We must start running. And this country has an opportunity to penetrate Africa, to penetrate the world, but we must run and we must talk to one another so that we get the country going. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shuthi into enziwa uTraore lapha eBurkina Faso sey-inspire abantu abaningi kwicontinent. Njengobuzwa nje kubukelwa kuye manje kodwa mncane. Kodwa kunephuzu alishoyo la upresident lo elibaluleke kakhulu engifisa sengathi singake siyibheke lento. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokubuka abantu abadala afuneka basirepresent eParliament babanga into engenasidingo kunokuthi babe nama meaningful conversation ukuze kube nenguquko mhlambe nama policies ofuneka phasa implement ukwenziwe lezi zinto kuze impilo zabantu zizoba ngcono babange kodwa yonke lento ibangwa ngenxa ukuthi bahlukene kwamaqembu abangabheki ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani. Ibhlungu kablento njengoba besho nayo ukuthi uma ngabe kufanele kukhulunywe ngezinto ezothatha i-country zise phambili kuvela izinto kuphikiswane. Yazi uma ungabuyela ama-video nje akudala eParliament ala eSouth Africa ijoke ingcono nje manje iParliament kunama-conversation esinokwabona ku-trend ama-video sihle nobani bekhuluma eParliament siza ukuthi no khona izinto ezikhulunywa ngempela. Kodwa nje ijoke yangempela, ijoke yokubona abantu abadala abaholayo. Kodwa-ke sizongena kwivideo namuhla. Isukela enkulumeni engiyizwile ebixoxwa umqondisi Gumede exoxa noVusi Thembekwayo. Usho something interesting. Ngithe nje okokuqala ngaphambi ngimcaphune angiqale ngicaphunele.
We have been branded either arrogant or insensitive or dictatorial or all kinds of names just because of that.
Because you don't want aid.
It's not that we don't want aid for the sake of not wanting it. We are saying aid creates dependency, but not only dependency. Dependency is on the good side, I mean the better side even. The other one is whoever gives you aid controls your life. In fact, that's why they want you to stay with aid, so they continue controlling your life. and even threaten, use it as a tool to direct you where they want you to go. We keep threatening, if you don't do this, we will switch off.
Politically
Oh,
weaponizing
yeah,
aid.
it is weaponized, absolutely.
Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngicaphune le video ka President Paul Kagame wase Rwanda ukuthi lento ayishoyo noma bengingayazi noma ngiqala ukufunda ngayo manje yama 8 ngiyibone ngathi iqiniso. eSouth Africa kuphasiswe expropriation bill. Ngenxa yalokho iAmerica yathi iyayikhathi 8 nosize belilethe eSouth Africa lapho bekulekelelwa khona abantu ukuze bathola ama-ARVs abaphila negciwane lengculaza. Ngenxa njalo expropriation bill kwaba khona misinformation, kwakhulunywa yonke into kwathiwa no kune ambassador, American ambassador la eSouth Africa. Uma ngabe kubulawa abamhlophe fanele ngabe ama-white farmers fanele ngabe inalo lolo lwazi. Kodwa ngezathu sokuthi laba bathi ngoba sikunika imali siyayinqamula imali yethu ngoba wena usuphasisa umthetho othize, okusho ukuthi lama-8 aphuma kulamazwe eza la awaphuma ehamba wodwa, aphuma nemigomo nemibandela. Mhlawumbe ezinye zezinto ezingenzeki in terms of ama-policy, in terms of iguquka impilo zabantu, yingenxa yalama terms and conditions esingawazi ukuthi abawasayinayo asuke ethini. Ngeke ngafaka ivideo la ngokwedlule ngathi ka CIC ebithi iSouth Africa ine trade agreements namazwe ukuthi iSouth Africa ngeke iziproduce imoto yayo nje ngeke but awazi ukuthi kuze kwenziwe leyo agreement lelo zwe lele lalibanikeze ini. Uma lalibanikeza imali mhlambe ngingavuma ukuthi isona sivumelwano. So uPresident uKagame la uveza ukuthi ugcina ukushiwo wonke lamagama amabi ngawe, kuthiwa uyi-dictator uyini, noma mhlambe yiyo-ke angingamphikeli kukho konke, kodwa uthi labantu abakhuluma lokho njengoba engawafuna ama-8 ubalekela ukuthi mabekunikeza le mali iza nemigomo nemibandela ekugcineni kodwa abantu abasezweni lakhe ngoba abazazi ivumelwano bambona njengomuntu ovimba impumelelo. Le mpumelelo ezogcina ingafikanga ebantwini, le mpumelelo ezoluthwa abantu aba-connected political igcina ingafikanga ebantwini, kugcine kuceba abantu abathize ngale imali eziphuma emazweni, kodwa ama-terms and conditions ebe-affecta bona labantu laba who are on the ground.
To make the case here, sorry to interrupt you, is that they contest not only on policy, but actually they contest on track record. So which is something we don't see here.
By the time that you are a Chinese premier, you've run trillions of dollars in GDP and you've managed hundreds of millions of people. So let me put this differently. George W. Bush, Barack Obama would not be allowed to enter the Chinese system at above mayoral candidacy.
Absolutely.
So you've got a 30-year grind of demonstrating in action, not in talk, not in of what you've actually done. And what that does is does a number of things. What we actually want, I believe, as South Africans, as Africans, as people in the third world, is here's what we want. We want delivery. What I want is I don't really care who is in charge of garbage disposal. What I do want, though, is the fact that they take the garbage away.
Yep.
And if they don't do that, I don't have 5 years
to vote them out
and a poster and an elections that we don't. This is the time we don't have, guys. Third world to first world is a 20-year project. You can't do it when you're not sure in 5-year increments. This is why democracy is a system for people who have arrived. It's not the system for people who are going.
Interesting kakhulu into esho umqondisi noVusithembe kwayo la ukuthi eChina uma awubekwa ngoba connected politically ubekwa based on i-track record. Angazi ukuthi kungenzeka kanjani mhlawumbe le system eSouth Africa bayi-adopt. Ungasibekela umuntu kuthiwa uMinister of Defence ongazi lutho, uthathe abantu abangama-former general wezimpi ungabe ubanika leyo post ngoba bayayazi leyo nto leyo. kuthatha umuntu ongakaze aze ayigqoke nakanye uniform yamaphoyisa, ongakaze nje abe constable, ongakaze avolunteer, ongakaze mhlawumbe aboshwe kuthiwa kenza public service ukuthi aclean lapha epolice station, kuthiwa akaphatha amaphoyisa, abeka imithetho, akhanda imithetho for amaphoyisa. Angazi mina ngenze kanje. Usho ukuthi idemocracy esinayo thina isebenza esigabeni sokuthi sivote, sibabeke ezikhundleni. Uma siqeda kuvota bese iyaphela lapha idemocracy. Sesolinda 5 years lento eshiwo umqondisi ukuthi kwamanye amazwe kwenzeka ngakho, ngoba kwamanye amazwe izwe libuswa ngentando yeningi. Lana intando yeningi isebenza masibavotela kuphela. President Cyril Ramaphosa launche i-Operation Vulindlela. Ngenza le video le ngoba isendlalelo saleyo video leyo engifuna ukuyenza ezobe ikhuluma nge-Operation Vulindlela, kodwa ngithe angiqale ngale video ibe upart 1 ngoba kunezinto ezibalekile ezishiwo kule video. Ngizocaphuna ipart yokugcina manje eshiwo umqondisi. Emveni kwalapho bese siyayivala le video. Sizokwenza ivideo esibili ezobe ikhuluma nge-Operation Vulindlela. Kukhona uDr Palili Hutla naye uphawulile ngale operation ayilontshile uPresident Ramaphosa. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunento ezibalekile lapha azishilo engeke engafisi ukuthi ungazizwa. Sizongena kuzo, kodwa ke manje ngizocaphuna into eshiwo umqondise interesting eyenza ukuthi ngicabanga ethi hayibo lento bengayiboni ngani sonke lesikhathi. Ngicela uzwe la.
I mean, if you look at it very clearly, what we do on the African continent, and I don't think I can say this with any fear of contradiction, is the fact that we elect kings.
Sure, that's a big statement.
We choose them at ballot time, and then we leave them so that if they're a good king, we have a good time. But if they're a bad thing, we all have a bad time, which is the hallmark of monarchy. Good kings produce good times, bad kings produce bad times.
Into eshiwo umqondisi la iqiniso lingephikiswe. Thina la eAfrica si-electa amakhosi. As-electi bona president namakhansela namameya nominister, cha, si-electa amakhosi. Ngoba mayihlezi uhlezi lapha kuyoze kuphela iterm yakhe ye5 years. Asikwazi ukuba holder accountable. Asikwazi. Uma sibekelo inkosi, uma sibe neshwa lokuthola inkosi ebhedayo siyohlala kuze kufike iterm yawo. Bayazi abaphethwe amakhosi esizweni zabo ukuthi uma nibekela inkosi engabusi kahle niyohlala idunguzele izikhothana inkosi, nibekela inkosi mayiniphethe kahle niyohlala. Isystem esiphethe sekuyidemocracy kodwa enjalo ngoba siphethwe ngamakhosi. Asiphethwe bona abantu abasivotelayo, asiphethwe bona abantu ababekwe ngentando yeningi. Thina into esiyenzayo sivotela amaqembu ezepolitiki ebese wona njengomndeni, njenge-royal family esibekela inkosi. Kudepend ukuthi leyo nkosi leyo inkosi enjani, because we can't hold them accountable. Uma umeya engenzi kahle senze njani thina? Iziphi izinto ngokomthetho esinawo eSouth Africa ngokwedemocracy esinayo okuzothiwa na ama-steps efuneka siwathathe ngoba kawenzi umsebenzi? Ibhlungu kabi ukubona into ekuthiwa abantu kwaphuma imali yethenda bese kuthiwa aba-blacklistiwe, akekho nomuntu oyi-1 oboshiwe ngoba kwakhona ukuthi bayithole leyo tender leyo ingoba babe politically connected. Angeke baboshwe, instead kuzo-blacklist amakhampani wabo baphinde bavula amanye amakhampani sebawavula ngey'ngane zabo noma ngobani, baqhubeke basebenze. Inkinga esinayo nje eSouth Africa. So le statement esikamqondisi esithi thina la eAfrica si-electa amakhosi. Uma ube nenhlahla kubekelwa inkosi yoku-elect inkosi right, isikhathi sakho sizoba, impilo zenu zizoba ngcono, kodwa nje ngoba asikwazi ukuba holder accountable. Ingakho ke sinale nkinga esinayo ukuthi sibekelwa abantu aba-incompetent, sibekelwa umuntu athatha iportfolio angenalwazi ngayo nolincane nje, kuthiwa uminister we-defense. Angimzondi noma anginalutho against umama Angie Motshekga, kodwa ideputy yakhe bekawu-general wamasosha. Why kungabanga nguye uminister? Because uyazi kangcono lo mkhakha wobusosha, wazi kangcono. So lo sinikezwa abantu ababodwa baya-rotate. Namhlanje uphethe isikhundla esithize, kusasa uphethe isikhundla esithize. kodwa ke unanga ufikele embalulu uMbax beka uminister we transport wa minister we sport yazi uGayton McKenzie kwisikhathi in less than a year ethathile wenza umsebenzi omningi okudlula umbalule ebe uminister for the whole term esekwenziwe nje uGayton McKenzie yedwa. So lento abayishoyo ukuthi eChina ku-electwa abantu based on a track record ay uma ngase si-adopte izwe lethu singalibona lithuthuka ngoba ngeke ku-electwa abantu ngoba be-politically connected. Asibambe le video manje ngethemba lokuthi sizoqhubeka no part 2 lena bekuyisendlalelo ngikubone kubalekile ukuthi ngiyenze le video ngoba uma unenhloso yokuxazulula noma yiphi inkinga onayo into yokuqala efuna kuyenze ukuyi-identify inkinga yakho. Uma usuyi-identifyile bese uyakwazi ukudila nenkinga onayo. So into engiyenze kule video nje ukuthi ngi-identify ukuthi inkinga esinayo thina ukuthi is-electa amakhosi. Ngivumelana nestatement esikamqondisi ukuthi is-electa amakhosi. Ngicela ucaphuna nansi video.
Traore is doing them. Traore wakes up, dreams them up. Following morning, he makes a pronouncement. It is law. It is policy. Action follows. And I wake up and I say stuff, they look at me and say, what is this? What is this man talking about? We need to take it through this stage and that stage and put it to tender, float the tender. It takes 2 years, then we evaluate, then there are complaints, and there's an interdict. We wait another 4 years. By that time, you have to go and account to the people, and they remove you. Those who came before me did not fail because they didn't have ideas. They did. Maybe even better ideas. They just didn't implement them. Why? Because perhaps they failed to appreciate that the structures that are in place are not properly suited to the attainment of quick action. So you need to subvert some of these rules and processes unapologetically. And I will do it.
President waseBotswana ukhuluma ngeprocess le khona yedemocracy ukuthi izinto seyikhulunyiwe zineziteji efuna idlule kuza phambi bephasiswe kusuka lapho ithatha isikhathi ukuthi implement uthi kodwa lento uyayibona ukuthi ayideliver igxathu azolithatha ubukele kulento enziwa uTraore uzothatha igxathu lelo lizomenza ukuthi simbize ngedictator. Mawukhumbula ivideo yokuqala engiqale ngayo nje kaCIC uma ngabe izinto ngempela kwakufanele zenze ngokwedemocracy ngabe lo Traore okhulunywa ngaye manje izwe lonke kuyakhulunywa ngaye na uma ngabe kuya ngamazwi kaCIC ukuthi no akube idemocracy abantu akuyibona abakhethayo ngabe kusikhuluma ulimo olufanayo na uma ngabe befuna iAfrika yethu ilunge akushintshwe indlela okwenziwa ngayo amapolicy implementer akungabi nama plan. President wethu wakhuluma into eyodwa kuswa ngo2020 operation vula indlela kuze kube namhlanje kodwa unemployment rate iyaqonga iyakhuphuka abukho ubungcono. So uthi uzoyenza impela lento ngoba usebonile ukuthi wenza ipolicy namhlanje ayidlule igabeni ezithize ngoba isystem ekhona yedemocracy isiZulu sithi iningi liyabona ubende isiZulu sisho njalo kuhle khona izinto zenziwe ngentando yeningi kodwa kwesinye isikhathi izinto ziyonakala ngenxa yeningi njengoba isiZulu sithi iningi liyabona ubende. So ngicela ukuyibamba ke le video sizoqhubeka ke ne video yesibili lena beyenza le video yesibili sizokhuluma ngayo ngoba ngezinye zezinto lezi ezikhona esiphila phansi kwaso kodwa nje iphathi eyenza ukuthi ngenze le video kuseyintatha manje nginele ngezwe le phathi ngathi cha angingaqali ngilala ngirecord bese ngiyalala uma ngiqeda kodwa nje video engiyizwile ethi eAfrika si-electa amakhosi Inkosi kuyazi mayibekiwe ibekiwe because asikwazi ukuba hold accountable abaphathi bethu. Ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho.